What's up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. We're back with the BMW E36 M3, and I'm going to show you my favorite sprays to clean and condition your leather seats. Alright guys, the Beamer is back out of the garage and we're doing another detailed video. This time it's on the leather. I did a video before, if you guys missed it, check it out, on the dash and what I like to use for my plastics and my interior. So before we hop into how to do this and what products I use, and I'm going to get into details of the stuff that you need, I want you guys to really know how important it is to actually take care of your leather seats, because once you open the door and you're going on a date, first thing a girl is gonna notice is your seats, and they need to be in pretty good condition. You don't want to pull up in a raggedy car with all cracked seats on a date. Just not gonna look good. It's just not gonna go really well. So let's look at one thing that I want to get into, you know, just kind of like air out. This is an old car. This is a 1997 BMW, and for being a 1997 BMW, 23 years old, these seats are in pretty good condition. And one thing that I know for a fact is the guy prior to me that actually owned this car, the first owner of the car, he really took care of this car. He conditioned the seats, he took care of it. Everything about this car is really well taken care of. And one thing about when you condition your seats, you protect your seats from direct sunlight, from wear and tear, and you keep them moisturized. They're not gonna crack as easy, especially in dry heat and like the UV rays and everything that, you know, kind of just does all harm to the leather. And old cars like with this type of leather really need to be taken care of, especially if it's gonna go bad, if it's gonna start cracking, where I feel like if I don't take care of these right now, it's gonna happen in the near future. It's gonna cost me a lot to do these seats, because reupholstering these type of seats is gonna cost a lot of money. So it's really important, not just for looks, but for the protection of your car, just to really do this at least 2 times a year. I suggest doing it 4 times a year, but you know, if you guys don't have the time, or you know, just on a budget, you don't want to spend extra money on sprays, I don't know what it is, what people's situation is, at least do it 2 times a year or 1 time a year, please. So let's hop right into what products I like, what products you guys like. Comment below what products you guys use. So if we're going to talk about Meguiar's actually has the 3-in-1 spray that I've never used in my life. I've been using this for a very long time, and the sprays that I'm going to be showing you guys is the Meguiar's Gold class. So this is right here is the leather cleaner, and this right here is the leather conditioner. And like I said, they have the 3-in-1 where it's like just 1 spray bottle. That's all you need. And the stuff that you're going to need to get into the seats and to condition them and all of that, few things. First off, you're gonna need a vacuum. A vacuum from your house will do. Just pull out a vacuum, get into all of the little cracks inside of your seat. If your seat opens up like this BMW seat opens up, get into there, get all of the excess dirt out, everything that you could vacuum out. Some people use an air compressor to kind of blow everything out, but I don't like that method, because if you use an air compressor, everything that's in those little, you know, cracks in those seats is gonna come up in the air, and then it's gonna come right back down. So I don't really like using air compressor, even though I can use it. Not my thing. You do need a brush. So if your seats are really bad, you need a brush. There's soft brushes for leather that are not gonna cause too much damage. They're just gonna be enough to get that spray into the seat, into the leather, to penetrate it, for it to be able to release all of that dirt onto your microfiber towel later and get it out before you condition your seats. Again, my car is pretty clean, so I'm just going to be using a microfiber towel. There's little brushes, like I said, that you can use if it's necessary for your car. So let's hop right into cleaning the seats, and I guess maybe we'll do it before and after. If you're new to the channel, before we get into this, subscribe, leave a comment of your favorite sprays, give this video a thumbs up. Appreciate all you guys. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so when we're going to be cleaning, that's what we're going to be doing first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually spray the seat. This is how I do it. I'm going to spray the seat with the cleaner, and then I'm going to take the microfiber towel and just basically brush, just get everything out of it. So let's just spray from top. Always spray from top, like so, and then go to the bottom. So here's my microfiber towel. and I'm just gonna start cleaning. Just gonna get into every little hole. Like I said, I didn't need to vacuum because this seat is pretty clean, and I'm gonna start cleaning. And make sure that you do not leave. Try not to leave any stains. Try not to have this dry up. Just get into everywhere and do all around. Get everything clean. Alright, so with the front two seats already clean, this is what our progress looks like. They're pretty clean already, and they've been clean, but front two seats I've already cleaned down. Here's the old microfiber towel. Obviously it isn't all that dirty because it's clean seats, but this is my routine. Now I let the seats dry up for about 5 to 10 minutes, took the dog out for a walk, and now we're gonna do the leather conditioner. The leather conditioner, I don't like spraying directly on the seat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this microfiber towel, a different microfiber towel. I'm gonna kind of spray the microfiber towel, get it moist a little bit with this conditioner right here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply it to the leather and let it all soak in. I'm not gonna leave any extra drops or anything like that. So something very simple. I'm gonna show you guys a little portion of it. So I'm gonna apply it again from the top like this and get into everywhere. See how, I don't know if the camera's focusing and it's catching it. It's becoming a little bit shiny and greasy. So this is exactly what we're gonna do all around, and then I'm gonna move the seat forward and do the back side and get into the seat. So the first day or two, it might look a little bit shiny, but then it's gonna get into it, it's gonna get into the leather, and it's gonna look really good, and it's gonna give you that protection that you guys need. So just continue on with all of your seats everywhere, all around, and that's how you do it. Alright my boys, we're done with the interior of the front two seats in the E36 M3, and I just want to show you guys what the driver's seat looks like. Now this is the seat that actually gets the most, obviously, wear and tear, because if the car doesn't have a driver, then it's not being driven, and then nobody's actually sitting in the car. And I just want to show you guys the towels. One thing why I'm showing you this towel, this is the one that we use for cleaning the car, and I just wanted to show you guys how clean it is. And the reason why I'm showing you how clean it is just very important. I feel like if all of us owners and operators of our cars took care of our cars and actually took, like, you know, the precautions that we needed to make sure that the leather and everything is moisturized, clean, and protected, we'll always have this type of you know, outcome at the end of the day. When we're going to be using a towel, it'll always be clean. But a lot of us leave these cars until they're so filthy dirty that it's so hard to kind of bring it back to the clean new type of condition. And again, this is a 23-year-old car, but every time I wash it, vacuum it, and clean the inside, it just feels so much better, and there's so much more excitement and fun out of driving a clean car. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. These are my little sprays, this is my stuff that I use for my cars, my opinion on what I think is good. If you guys use different sprays, comment down below what you use. If you like Meguiar's, comment below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.